Hello guys, my name is Abhishek and I am going to teach you all of the important anatomy topics in detail. So stick with me to learn more, and if you are new here, make sure to subscribe. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the deep fascia of the gluteal region, as well as we are going to discuss about the gluteal ligaments, which are the sacrotuberous ligament as well as sacrospinous ligament. So basically beginning with the deep fascia of the gluteal region. So what about deep fascia of the gluteal region? So the deep fascia of the gluteal region is attached above to the iliac crest, and then behind to the sacrum, So above it is attached to the iliac crest and behind it is attached to the sacrum. Actually what happens, it will split twice to enclose two muscles, which are the gluteus maximus, glute maximus, as well as tensor fascia lata. So the deep fascia of the gluteal region will split twice to include gluteus maximus as well as tensor fascia lata, and also the thick aponeurosis between these two muscles, that forms the gluteal aponeurosis. That is aponeurosis found between these two muscles. And also when the deep fascia of the gluteal region, when it is traced laterally, it is continuous with the iliotibial tract. When it is traced laterally, it is continuous with the iliotibial tract. So this is about the deep fascia of the gluteal region. Now we will discuss about the gluteal ligaments. So the concept of gluteal ligaments is very important for UG students to study about the very two important gluteal ligaments, which are the sacrotuberous ligament, as well as we have one more ligament, that is known as the sacrospinous ligament. We have two ligaments, we have the sacrotuberous ligament as well as the sacrospinous ligament. Actually when it comes, this is the sacrum and this is the hip bone. Sorry if my diagram is so bad. Alright, this is the part of the sacrum, this is the hip bone, and this is the femur. Actually when it begins, the sacrotuberous ligament, it is a broad band of fibrous tissue. It is a broad band of fibrous tissue, and which extends from the side of the sacrum and coccyx up to the middle side of the ischial tuberosity. From the side of the sacrum up to the coccyx, and it will join with the ischial tuberosity. So this is the sacrotuberous ligament. This is the ischial tuberosity. This is the femur, this is the hip bone, and this is the sacrum, and this is the final coccyx. So sacrotuberous ligament, it is a broad band of fibrous tissue which extends from the sides of the sacrum and the coccyx to the medial side of the ischial tuberosity. So this forms the complete sacrotuberous ligament. So now moving on to the sacrospinous ligament, it is a triangular sheet of fibrous tissue which extends from the ischial spine to the side of the sacrum and the coccyx. Same, it will begin with the side of the sacrum and the coccyx, but whereas it will insert into the ischial spine. This is the ischial spine. So we have two different ligaments. This is the sacrotuberous ligament and this is the sacrospinous ligament. Both of them will originate from the sides of the sacrum and the coccyx, whereas the ischiotuberous ligament will insert at the ischial tuberosity of the hip bone, and the sacrospinous ligament will insert at the ischial spine of the hip bone. And these two, sacrotuberous and the sacrospinous ligaments, it will divide the region into two different compartments. The one that you are seeing here is the, what is it called as? It is called as the greater sciatic foramen. And this region that you are seeing between the ischial spine and the ischial tuberosity, this is the lesser sciatic foramen. Actually when it comes to the hip bone, we have two different notches, right? The greater sciatic notch and the lesser sciatic notch. So due to the attachment of these two ligaments, sacrotuberous ligament and the sacrospinous ligament, it will divide into the greater sciatic foramen as well as the lesser sciatic foramen. And what are all the different structures passing through these sciatic foramens, we have discussed them in another video. Please make sure to watch that. So this is about the gluteal ligaments, that is sacrotuberous and the sacrospinous ligaments. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and please make sure to watch the structures passing through both of these sciatic foramens. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.